708 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 708. Therefore, 708 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 23.2283464566 feet. So, in other words, 708 centimeters equals 23.2283464566 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.